Welcome to my channel. In the previous video I was showing you my auto power system, and I just want to show you the final product. Here it is, the box with the 4 sockets. This socket is always on, and these are for the 3 printers. This one for the Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 V2, Ender 3 S1. Here are the connectors. Here we have the connector for the Ender 3 S1. Here that's the Ender 3 V2, and here that's the Ender 3 Pro. Now I'm going to connect to them. So first the Ender 3 S1. Then the Ender 3 V2. Now the Ender 3 Pro. Okay, all 3 printers are now connected. I'm going to plug the socket. And here is the LCD which I have put in this box, so I can put it anywhere that fits me. Okay, now I'm going to plug the printers. Okay, now I've plugged all my 3 printers. As you can see on the LCD, it displays Pro off, V2 off, S1 off, and here also you see the red lights. All red lights are on. I'm going to move the bed of the Ender 3 S1. The light turns green, and here you see S1 is on, and the printer is also on. Now I move the bed for the Ender 3 V2. The green light for the Ender 3 V2 turns on. Okay. Here also it displays V2 on. I move the bed for the Ender 3 Pro. The green light turns on, and here you see Ender 3 Pro is on. Here all printers are on, and you see all the green lights are off. Now I move the bed of the Ender 3 V2 to turn it off. So the switch is pressed. It will wait for a few minutes before turning off. Now it's off. Let's move the bed for the Ender 3 Pro. There it is. Let's wait. It's off. And as you can see, it is displayed on the LCD. So this is just for the demo. That's why I've shortened the delays. But in normal conditions, when the switch is pressed, it will turn off the printer after 30 minutes. So that's it for this auto power system. Thank you for watching.